Wow, happy new year to you out there. This is Info Hope. Welcome to my channel. I pray that this year will be a wonderful and a glorious year to each and every one of us. 2022 has gone. This is 2023. This is a time that everybody needs to put all hands in deck to make everything work well. So, so the mistakes of last year can never be repeated this year. The procrastinations cannot be done this year. As the year go by, we are getting older. So, and I believe that everybody's aspiration is to achieve all their desires before the years runs out. But for us to achieve that, we need to start on time. Now, for the paint production, this is the season, especially here in this country, in Nigeria. This is the season, dry season. It's a season where the work thrives. This is a season where everybody gets into work of paint production and painting of their new houses, repainting and painting of new houses. So I think we need to seize this opportunity to begin, to commence. Thank you. So today I would like to talk about how you can start off paint production, how to start off paint production. But before then, I would like to also share with you how I began my own paint production business so many years ago. Now, how did I start? After my NYC program, so because I had zeal even when I was in the school to venture into paint production, because I had the opportunity of meeting with those that are into production already then. So after the program, so I now went in detail about knowing everything about paint production. And when I started, I wasn't even having money. The money I had was the one I used to pay for the training. I went for the training. I paid huge amount for the training. Why I paid for the training? Because I knew what I stand to gain after the training. So I went for the training. After the training, like within, let me say, a space of 4 months, I got a contract to paint, to produce and to paint a 2-story building. So when I did that work, just that work alone, I recovered all the money I paid for the training. I made money anyway in that work. The thing covered the money I paid for the training, and I also had some change, let me call it change, on me, okay, and that was some years ago. So after that, I still got another contract, and then my business wasn't even registered. I had not even registered anything. So when I got the contract, I just proceeded in producing my mesh. I produced my mesh. I used this thing to produce the paint and supplied. After the first contract, that was when I registered my business name. So during the second one, and I didn't even have a mixer. I was using my hand to turn. Then I would turn up to 10 buckets of paint at once using a big vessel. Then the first contract I produced about 89 buckets of paint, emulsion paint. 89 buckets of emulsion paint. So But the subsequent ones, the subsequent contract, that was when I started using hand mixer to produce. You see, so I didn't have money when I started, but I started something. So that is the beauty of this sector. You can start without anything. So you may ask me, okay, you were asked to produce 89 buckets. Which money did you use to buy materials to produce them? The client paid part of the money to me. So when the client paid the money, so I now use the money to buy raw materials and produce and supply. That was how I started. I did not produce with my own money because I didn't have any money to start anything then. So that was it. You can equally do the same presently. Now, talking about how would you start? Very simple. If you know how to produce, then all you need to do is meet your friends, meet your relatives, tell them what you do. Then you can equally maybe produce some, maybe let me just say 2 or 3 buckets and paint your house, because there was a lady that was what she did before she was discovered. She painted their house, that's the outside, some parts, not even, just the sit out. And somebody that people saw it and said, you were the one, even they saw when she was doing that, producing that. So from there, she started getting contract. So, and also that was what so many people are doing. So you must not have everything in order to start. The only thing you need is to acquire the skill. Now, acquire the skill. Now, so for you to acquire the skill, you can watch other videos in this channel, or you can as well request for the training manual that I have, training manuals on the production of all kinds of paint. So both the raw materials and everything that is needed, and you'll be guided perfectly on how to do the production. So you can start now. Stop procrastination. Stop procrastinating this. Please begin now. If you don't know how to begin, just run a production on your own. You can produce 1 gallon first. 1 gallon is 4 liters, so that you now use it to access yourself. Okay, and also when you want to produce, you can also contact me, and via the number on the description of this video, you can contact me and I will assist you. I've been doing that to so many people. In fact, so many people every day they contact me on WhatsApp, say, sir, this is what I want to do. How will I do this? Okay, so, and I do guide them. So you can as well do the same. Please subscribe to this video and like the video. Turn the notification bell to all so that you will be updated anytime a new video is being posted in this channel. Please like the video and comment on the comment section. Comment on the comment section, like the video, so that other people can also see the videos and benefit from them. Like and subscribe too. Subscribe. Thank you. You are doing well. All right, there's something I want to do. I want to give few persons, 5 persons, this ebook free. You're not going to pay for it. Now, I will select the thing at random. To qualify for this, just like the video and comment on the comment section and say, InfoHub, I need the free ebook. InfoHub, I need the free ebook. Remember, to qualify for this, you have to like the video, and on the comment section, you comment, InfoHub, I need the free ebook. So that is the only way you can qualify for that. So in the next 1 week, I will give it out based on the people that qualify. Thank you.